Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Bart from Chennai Voyager. Hope you all are doing great and riding safe. Today's video is a small but very useful upgrade for our bikes. A GPS or mobile mount setup. I'll first show you the final output on my bike, and then we'll see how we install the same setup on my friend's bike as well.
கல்ட்னா திருப்பி மாட்ட தெரியல எப்படி மாட்றது நம்ம யூடியூபை பார்த்து என்னன்னு பாத்துற வேண்டியதான்.
This product is available on Amazon and it perfectly matches the Royal Enfield Interceptor. It also works really well on my Scrambler.
No sudu, no sornai, no bothering.
The Triumph Scrambler 400 is honestly a beautiful machine. Before getting into the installation, I just want to say one thing about this bike. It looks premium, it feels premium, but still stays pocket friendly for its segment. You don't really need to worry too much about speed or power or bad roads or long travel conditions.
A few moments later.
It handles everything with confidence. City rides, highways, broken village roads. This bike just stays calm and comfortable. That's why small touring upgrades like this GPS mount make the riding experience even better. Now coming back to the mount. One important thing to look at is the steel quality. It should be strong but also slightly flexible. Too hard and it may crack. Too soft and it'll vibrate too much. This one had a good balance. Next comes the washer. The washer size really matters. It should be big enough to cover the space properly and hold the mount firmly in position. If the washer is small, over time the mount can become loose. And that's not safe, especially during long rides. One more important thing, Indian roads. Vibrations are unavoidable. So rubber dampers are very helpful. They reduce vibration, protect the mount, and also protect your mobile or GPS device. Luckily, we found perfect rubber-coated washers in a local mechanic spare shop. Small item, but big improvement. After installing them, the setup became much more stable and smooth. After testing everything on my bike, we installed the same setup on my friend's bike too. Fitment was clean, solid, and very practical for touring and daily riding. Sometimes these small changes make a huge difference in comfort and confidence. And now comes my favorite part of the day. I got some great help from my friend's kid. He was super curious, very excited, asking questions, holding tools, and fully involved in the work. Honestly, it felt really good to see that interest. Looks like a future biker is getting ready already. So yeah, the Scrambler is now ready with its new GPS mount setup. Simple upgrade, budget friendly, and very useful for touring.
அவன் வந்துட்டு நீ கீழே போக மாட்டானே. ப்ரோ
நல்ல பண்ண எப்பவுமே இது வந்து ஸ்ட்ரென்த் கிடைக்காது. யூ ஷுட் யூஸ் திஸ் ஒன். ஏன்னா லாங் இருக்கு இல்லையா? இப்போ பாரு எவ்வளோ இருக்கு. இப்போ இது வச்சு இது பண்ணு.
அப்போ ஃபுல் ஃபோர்ஸ் போடலாம்.
உனக்கு கோல்டு கிடைக்குது அடி பண்ணு.
ரைட்டா அந்த த்ரெட் போடு.
இது எப்படி மாட்டாங்க இப்போ? இது மெக்கானிக் மாட்ட தெரியலன்ற. இதோட அட்வான்டேஜ் என்ன? இது ஃப்ளெக்சிபிளாக இல்லாமல் இருந்தால் மாட்ட முடியாது. இதை பார்த்தோன்னே மாட்டும் போது உட்காரல. இப்போ டைட் பண்ணி உட்கார வச்சு வச்சது.
அதை மட்டும்தான் பார்க்குறேன். பார்க்கறது மட்டும்தான்
போதும் தம்பி, அதை விடு.
Hope you guys like this video. Sorry for posting it a little late. If you enjoyed this kind of content, do give it a like, share it with your riding buddies, and don't forget to subscribe to Chennai Voyager for more rides, mods, and real biker stories. Ride safe, stay blessed, and I'll see you in the next one.